Well, everyone, I know it's been a little bit. Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry. Well, it's been like a week. I kind of injured my back, and then since then we've had a week of rain. Didn't really want to be outside, but here we are. We're back at it, cleaning up the engine. So far today, all I've done is really go over these few fins here, which, if you look at the difference from these fins, already made a bit of progress. It's not perfect, right? But it's as best as I can really do. Where's my pad here? There you go. So I've been taking the pad and folding it over, as you see the crease there, and just slightly shoving it into the hole there and slightly rocking it back and forth, and just literally just all I can really do is this. That's the best I've got right now. It's working, right? But it's not perfect. I'm doing what I can, and I'm loving it. I'm not sure if it was leaking or not. It seems to be leaking a little bit. There's like an overflow or something here, and I think I overfilled it. So it's just a very slow drip, but that's all right. It's like that on every cover I have. Each cover has the same little hole. I've checked all three of them. That one does too. I'm pretty sure it's just an overflow. I'll have to look into it, but yeah, it's just a very slow drip, so I'm assuming it's overflow because I put a bit too much in. But other than that, we're doing good. We're doing very good. This side we still got to do. We still got to do the edges here around the exhaust port and around the intake, but it's coming along. I'm going to set you all up for a quick time lapse. Hopefully you all enjoy, and we'll be right back after it's done, everyone. Alrighty, everyone, so check this out. So we've been working at this for a little while now, and we've made quite a bit of progress. You can see between the bottom, the jug / the cylinder fins versus the top end. The shine. So much better. Oh, okay, I missed this. I missed a whole quarter of it, apparently. Literally forgot a whole quarter. Okay, so we're not done the top end. I thought I was closer. I thought I made more damn it. Okay, so we got to finish the fins here. And the rest of it, though, looking much better. Got all down here, right? Versus this, right? All this crap here to nice and finished. Looking awesome. Very happy with it. Also worked on the back side here. There you go. So that's what it normally is, right? Versus what we've been able to get it to. Now this is not perfect. This is still very oxidized, and there's still a bit of oil. We're going to continue working on this over time and try and get this down further. Same with, let me just pick this back up here. Same with all along the top here, right? There's little tiny bits in the crevices, or right there, right here. I'm sorry for the lighting. It started to rain, and I don't have a working light in here. Well, there's this light, but it's not very bright. It doesn't work very well. The sunlight right now is better. And I also got the old dirt and grime off the seal here, and we're going to put new grease, and we should be good to go. Again, this is just having a bit of a drip right here. I think it's only very slow, and like if I tip the engine backwards like this, right, and put more oil towards the back of the engine, it starts to flow. And I checked my broken casing here, and I checked the other engine casing. They both have the same little hole. So I'm assuming it's an overflow. I don't know. Maybe y'all can let me know in the comments down below. That'd be great. Other than that, everything's going well, and that's going to be it for right this second. we'll be back to the video whenever, right? I'm not exactly sure when this video is going to come out or when I'm going to continue. I need a break. And like I said, right, this past week has been a bit of a crap show. Let me just put it that way. Holy crap. So hopefully you're enjoying so far. Stay tuned and we'll get right back to it soon. Maybe take out the Yamaha. We'll see what happens, right? Well, hopefully you enjoy, everyone. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Hopefully you're all having an amazing day, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone, welcome back. So today we're here continuing the video, and not only that, but I'm kind of tired. Been out here for 20-30 minutes now. We're working on all this trees here. This one right here, I've already moved out of this pile of rubbish. Same with all this. I took 20 minutes to learn how to use the chainsaw, and basically this whole pile here was all just mixed in with those 3 big logs, and it was all stuck together. So I used the chainsaw and cut it all up. I should have time-lapsed it. I was about to get the camera out, but then I got sidetracked by doing the work. I was having fun. First time using the chainsaw, didn't have any mishaps, but these few logs here, not really sure what we're gonna do with these. They're a bit large, right? So I'm not really sure. I'm not sure if the Yamaha can move them. It'd be nice if the Yamaha could move them, get them out of here, bring them down to the house, and maybe we can use them as a foundation or maybe something for a roof for a new shed. But for now, we're just gonna leave that there, and we're gonna take care of these, and we'll take care of those. The garbage pile there, we're actually gonna move it back here because there's a rut in the ground. It dips down here, so we're gonna start filling that in. This, I'm really not sure about. This is all the branches from all those trees from last year. Last summer, I spent quite a few hours out here cutting all the branches off and piling them up. And then over winter, the snow compacted it to like half the size it was. Literally, like, it was almost up to the leaves. Like, it was the leaves right there, right behind the tree. Right there, this leaf right here, right? It was up to there, but, right? So we got there, and it's just almost shrunk by half. So yeah, hopefully you all enjoy. Stay tuned. We're gonna get this stuff cleaned up, and hopefully you all enjoy this little time lapse. Sorry it kind of got cut short and we didn't use the chainsaw in it, but maybe there's more chainsawing to do, right? We've also got all of this side that we have to start trimming out because of all the small trees that we've never trimmed out starting to grow. Basically, every one of these little trees has to be trimmed out of here so that the bigger trees can actually get the space to grow, apparently, from what we understand. And we've never done that it's been like closer to 12, 13, maybe even 15 years now that we've lived here. Never done it. So it's about time that we do it now that we know it has to be done. And yeah, let's get straight to it, everyone.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
Alrighty, everyone, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you've all had an amazing day. So far, we've gotten all this area cleared up, all nice and clean. There's still little branches on the ground. We'll go through and rake it all up, right? The one big log, I was able to move it with the Yamaha very easily, actually. So I'm gonna roll that over off the driveway, and then in the future we'll be able to get all 3 of these logs wherever we want them if we decide not to use them for firewood and build a shed or whatever they decide to do with the wood, we can do it. I also got all the crap wood, right? We moved it all, starting to fill this in. As you can see there, the ground is way up here, right? But we're way down here. There's a good few feet. And so we don't want to go all the way, but right in this little area, it's a little divot where it's an extra like foot and a half down. And so I'm trying to fill that little divot in so that all of this land here is slowly, gradually gonna slope and then hit this little wall, and then it curves towards the house there. Well, not a wall, but a hill, right? Basically a wall, a nature's wall. Oh man, this has been an awesome day. I was able to get the 3-wheeler sliding on the road. We're gonna take you up there, show you a little bit of that. And we got so much freaking wood moved.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Well, everyone, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. We used the Yamaha. We cleaned up the engine a bit more. All sorts of work has been done. It took a little while to get it done. Sorry it took so long to get this upload done, but the past week has just been raining and it's been crappy, and I've not been feeling well, but here we are, right? We're feeling better, getting it done. Hopefully you all enjoyed, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, everyone.